You can go far. English exercise.
I wear casual clothes for my activities. Every day, every day. I wear casual clothes for my everyday activities. The store is away than I thought. Farther, further. The store is farther away than I thought. Her fashion is very unique. Flare, flare. Her fashion flair is very unique. The park ranger warned us about the bears in the area. Grizzly, grizzly. The park ranger warned us about the grizzly bears in the area. I can't the music from here. Here, here. I can hear the music from here. I hurt my while running. Heel, a heel. I hurt my heel while running. She has N for classical music. Idle, idle. She has an idol for classical music. The chapters of the book are more interesting. Later, latter. The latter chapters of the book are more interesting. She, the group to the park. Led a lead. She led the group to the park. I need to wait to fit into my pants. Loose, loose. I need to lose weight to fit into my pants.